Hi everyone, thanks again for joining us here at MarineMax Coco. My name's Chris Wenstrom, standing next to a brand new Scout 251 XSS. Come on back here, we'll show you a couple features on this boat. As you can see, we did do this in the shark gray hull color, which is a nice option. And we do have this fitted with a 300 horsepower Yamaha outboard motor. As you can see here, we do have two caps here off the back of the boat that are removable if you wanted to install a single or dual power pole option. A little telescoping ladder there for water entry. Come on up here and we'll show you a couple features about this boat. We do have fresh and raw water wash down here. As you can see right there, there's your plugs for that. All these seats do fold down to have a nice casting platform off the back, but if you're looking for more of a leisure ride, these do individually pop up for comfortable seating off the back. And we do have a live well here under this seat, so you can see. Like I said, these do fold down nice and clean for a nice casting platform here. We did fit this with the Yeti cooler, which is a nice option. 4 rod holders here. More rod holders here as rocket launchers up off the top of the hardtop. You can see here at the helm we did do individual flip down bolsters, which is nice so that the whole thing doesn't flip down. If you wanted to stand up, you could. If you wanted to sit, this does flip down with a nice little footrest here to give you a nice ride. So you can see we've got our light switches up top, Garmin touchscreen display here, our vessel view, Yamaha right here, jack plate, trim tabs, Bluetooth stereo. This thing is rigged and ready to go. Digital throttle, nice tilt steering wheel option here. And what's nice too is that Scout put our light switches down below and our pump switches above. Nice clean layout to make it user friendly. Then we do have our USB and 12-volt plug there as well. I'm going to come around here, or actually I'll come over on that side. Just to show you here, we do have nice rod holder storage, and actually what they did is they cut out a little insert here so the tips of your rods don't get bent up in the top of the hardtop as well. You can see that they did kind of flush mount this to the console, give you a little bit more walk around space. And a nice little touch too is a midship rod holder, which you really don't see a whole lot in this class. We're coming up here and we'll show you a couple more storage options. What's nice too is this entire unit opens up to give you plenty of storage here underneath the console. Option for a pump out head or a porta potty if you would like. And also access to your batteries there as well. And then this does act as a seat, which is nice. And then what's nice too is if you wanted to have this be more of a fishing trip, all of these cushions are completely removable to give you a nice big casting platform up top and a low rub rail off to the side to kind of give you a little bit more open space up front. And then if you wanted to have more of a family outing, you can see that all these here does provide a nice sun pad as well as plenty of seating for all of your guests. And then these headrests are also removable. And a nice feature here, you'll see this is a nice finished fiberglass fish box, which does work its way up towards the front more to give you a nice plenty of room for today's catch. And then your anchor locker always up front. All right. Everyone, thank you again for joining us. We'd love to see you on this boat. Nice combination of both fishability and as well as a family-friendly cruising boat. Love to see you out on the water. Come join us here at MarineMax Coco. Phone number 321-636-3142. Again, my name is Chris. Thanks for joining us.